There are three things that are best that a woman can do for a man. Are you still with me?
Amen.
Are you? Are you with me? Number one, the best thing that a woman can do for a man is respect. That is compulsory. It's what, Barcelona?
Compulsory.
Number two, listen. Number two is to make sure that man's belly is full. It's fed. Then ngitshele thina amadoda saba indlala. Ngiyasi-expose namhlanje. Amen. Saba ini?
Indlala.
Indoda amathumbu nangasi right esikhathini esiningi uqabanga ngamathumbu wayo. Amadoda awazwani nokulama. Amen. Number three, listen now. It's respect. Feed, ne? Of course, yes, good number three is to make him feel warm under the blanket ezingubeni. Nika ukudla kwakhe kwasempedeni. That is a must. These three things is what? It's a must. And I must warn you ladies. I know kunamantombazana makhuluma athi Japaru mina ngidiniwe vela ngifuna ngithinte ubhizi usayine divorce nawenza njalo. Yenza lento afuna ukuthi uyenze mtshele after uthi baby bengidiniwe mara ngoba ngeke ngithi ngilambile manje ngifuna iplate ngi-exen ngo9 uthi no sophela ngo10 ebusuku ufuna ukuthi from exen ngama hours ngidle kuphini. Angazi nangizwa bazalwane. Do I make sense? Mama tell me if I come at home nangithi ngilambile lalela umama beyenza so my mother treated me as if I was a husband of the house and I was shocked. Bengithi nangibuya esontweni umama ngithi nangilambile ngithi mara mama khona la ngiyakhona ngihlalanga yazi athi ngimi athi wena mnyama nisofuna ukukhamisela abantu hlala phansi abeke ibhodo libile ngilibhekile to abantu mama lo serious uyabheka manje apheke oriyenza ispinach nomroho nepapa nangiceda lathi idla nangiceda lanake athi uyaphike manje athi uyo hamba la ungakadanga because my mother understood her assignment ukuthi indoda ayihambi ngamathumbu anjani a-empty.
Thank you.
I repeat again, yes. Number one, it's respect. Number two, you must master the art. Let me tell you something. When a man has married you, he did not marry his daughter, he married you. I'll tell you what I mean with that. When you are a mother at home, make it your duty. Yes, but you can't 90% when you pay it 10%. No. Your duty ukumema potweni ufite le ndoda yakho.
Amen.
Akashatanga abantwana bakhe ushade wena. Lalela. Yeke la lento nawuhlele TV remote control. Uthi dali nathi ngilambile athi microwave lapha ngofaka ukudla lapha. Nakafika yekela konke. Thatha ukudumezela. Ngeza isandla whatsoever. Unike yinto nakakushadile kuyamjabulisa ukuthi lo mama engamshada 10 years 15 years back usayenza lento ekayenza nasazwana.
Thanks.